Hey guys, relighting a pilot is not very difficult, but since flammable gas is involved, please read the safety warnings of your model first. You can easily Google the model number of your hot water heater to find it. I also had to Google and I found the instructions for my model. Hey guys, my pilot light is out, so let's turn off the gas and investigate what's happening. To do that, follow the gas line and look for the shut-off valve like this. When the valve is parallel to the gas line, then it's in on position. When the valve is perpendicular to the gas line, like right now, then it's in off position. I already know the pilot light is out since we have no hot water, but let's look at how we can check that. To do that, remove the front cover and look through the small viewport. For this model, you'll have to look slightly to the left and up through the viewport to be able to see the pilot light. If the pilot light is on, then you should be able to see the small blue flame. Under normal condition, the pilot shouldn't go out. So let's investigate the possible cause before relighting the pilot. In the past, my pilot went out on a strong wind or heavy rainy day, but we didn't have that condition yesterday. Also, I don't see any water in the drain pan. I don't smell any gas. And the roof vent leak was fixed about 2-3 years ago, and pilot stayed on for that long period. So my unit is about 7 years old, so it could be the pilot tube holes maybe getting clogged, or the thermocouple could be going bad. So in the near future, I will clean the intake screen and check the pilot tube and thermocouple more closely. But for now, let's relight the pilot. Hey guys, so I have this State Select hot water heater. What's happening is the pilot light is going out right now. My wife is complaining there's no hot water. So let's look at the instructions. So first thing we gotta do is set the thermostat to lowest setting to the pilot lighting. Next, push the gas control knob down slightly and turn clockwise to off. So this one, push slightly down and you see here's off, on, and that's the off. Remove the outer burner door. Okay, we just did that. Wait 10 minutes to clear out any gas. Okay, now we have to turn the gas control to the pilot position. Okay, that's this. Here's the pilot position. So I'm gonna turn this. Okay. Pilot is located on the left side of the burner. It can be located by looking through the glass viewport while pressing the ignition button several times. Okay, so when we're ready, we're gonna be pushing this several times real quick, and the pilot light, you should be able to see it here. If you look directly, you won't see it. You have to look that way, okay? Look to the left side of the water heater and kind of up. So it's left and up. Once the pilot light has been found, push the gas knob all the way down and then immediately press the pilot igniter button 4 or 5 times rapidly. If the pilot does not light, repeat steps 3 through 9. Now let's continue reading here because it's kind of connected. Continue to hold the gas control knob for about 1 minute after pilot is lit. Okay, so that's this. Okay, so when we're ready, we're gonna push this down, hold it down while clicking on this thing 4 or 5 times real quick, while looking in this hole here to see that pilot light lights up. And once it does, we're gonna actually continue to hold it down for a minute. Okay, and then we're gonna release it, let it pop back up, and we need to also check to see the pilot light is still on. In the past, I've had the pilot light go out as soon as I let this up. So you have to go back down here and make sure the pilot light is still on. Okay, if this knob doesn't come back up, it's a problem. So you gotta turn off the gas and call the service tech. Okay, once the pilot flame is established, okay, it says at arm's length, so I guess you gotta stay away and then you gotta push down and turn it to the on position, okay? Because I think initially you'll probably see the gas come out with, you know, so. And then set the thermostat here to the desired setting and it will be like right there. We've been just keeping it right there. So, all right, so let's do this. Okay, so I waited about 10 minutes. This is set to pilot. This is set to pilot here. I'm gonna turn on the gas valve here. Remember, now I have to do this in a weird posture here. So I'm gonna hold this down and push this down. Okay, I see the pilot light now. I'm gonna hold it down for a minute. Let it heat up. Oh my gosh, this button is hard to hold down. Okay, so it's been about a minute. I'm gonna let it go. I see the pilot light is actually gotten bigger and stronger than initially. I'm gonna let it go, and pilot light is still lit. Let me see if I can get a video of that. I don't know if I can catch it, but let me see. Ah, there, you can see the light, right? That blue light. Apparently, I didn't record the part that was where I was turning on the water heater. So what you want to do is, after the pilot is lit, you want to put this front cover back on, and then come over here and turn this to the on position. After that, you want to set your water temperature. Now when you turn this on to the on position, you're probably gonna hear a swoosh, big flame coming on. I took off the front cover so that you can see the big flames that had started. Initially, it was a lot of red color flames, but later it settled into more blue color flames. As you can see, if you follow the instructions, it's something you can do easily. Instead of paying 50 to 100 bucks for a plumber to do a 5 to 10 minute quick work, or even having to wait for them to come out. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.